Tomo Credit Card Review 2025 Pros and Cons Rewards Annual Fee Interest Rate. You won't believe how credit cards are evolving in 2025. The Tomo Credit Card promises no fees, cashback rewards, and a credit building experience, but is it worth applying for? The surprising truth is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming building credit requires a deposit or perfect credit. Tomo offers approval based on income and banking history, without requiring a security deposit. One major advantage is rewards. You won't believe what happens next when you see Tomo offers up to 1.5% cash back on everyday spending, along with special bonuses for online shopping. The card has no annual fees, making it cost-effective for regular use. Tomo also prioritizes responsible credit building. Payments are reported to all 3 credit bureaus, helping users establish a solid credit history, and the app provides real-time monitoring of spending and payment alerts. However, there are cons. Interest rates can be high if balances aren't paid in full, and rewards are limited compared to premium cards. Some users may find eligibility criteria restrictive if income documentation isn't available. In conclusion, the Tomo credit card in 2025 is ideal for those seeking a fee-free card with rewards and credit building benefits. While interest rates and reward limitations are considerations, the combination of accessibility, cashback rewards, and credit reporting makes it a strong choice for responsible spending and credit growth.